Andrew Minone. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of HP Tuners. HP Tuners has been in business for a little over 18 years, and we specialise in calibration, diagnostics, scanning and logging software and hardware. We look at the older cars in the early 2000s, late 90s, and it looks simple now. And I guess that's where HP Tuners started, making those really minor adjustments to GM vehicles, which was our primary platform at the time. If you're working on a race car and you want to make more power, or you want to adjust torque strategies, things like that, adjust the amount of power that you're putting down at different RPMs. Obviously, with our scanner and our logger and VCM editor, you're able to make those adjustments, and you can log the car while you're doing laps around the track. You can assess that data afterwards. We've got software that you can actually install on your phone called Track Addict. You can put it in the car, film, and you can analyze that data afterwards. Look at your real-time position on the track. Very, very cool stuff for people that like to do track days professionally, or just the occasional weekend. Magic of HP Tuners. I would definitely say it's some of that. The engineers are immensely talented, and I am not going to sit here and tell you that I know everything about neural networks. I don't think anybody does, unless they're actually within the company that actually developed that. So we've got engineers that have reversed engineered that, created a tool that will allow you to get an outcome, or a desired outcome, without you having to know that system. So really, to take the fear out of it, I guess, to answer your question in a better way, people are afraid to make changes, but like all of our engineers and our sales staff and our support staff will tell you, small steps, make small changes, and you will get the desired outcome. Neural network is yet another tool, in addition to VCM Suite and the MPVI2, that we're offering people to take that guesswork out of it, so that you'll get what you want. 2020 was not what anybody expected. March hit, we were preparing for the worst. Our number one goal here was to not let any staff go. We are truly a HP Tuners family, and we want to make sure that people can continue to go to work and earn a living. So that was our number one priority, and lo and behold, March goes by and we hit April, May, and sales are rising. Which was really, really strange. We didn't expect that at all. So we just stuck with it. So what's going to happen next year, I don't know if anyone's going to be able to forecast or estimate what the market is going to do. I'm certain that there won't be any events, at least in the first half of the year. But in terms of the automotive industry and racing, I don't know. I wish it would go back, and I'm sure everybody would. But at the moment, we're just going to continue living month by month, looking at what happens, what the industry wants, what the demands are, and we'll support the industry in any way, shape or form that we can, right?